The warmth and coziness of a furnace on a chilly day. Nothing beats that feeling, right? But what happens when your furnace starts making strange and loud noises? Do you ignore it and hope for the best? Well, you shouldn't. Those noises could be an indicator of a bigger problem. So, why is your furnace making noises, and what can you do about it? Let's find out. First, listen closely to the type of noise your furnace is making. Is it whistling, rattling, banging, or humming? If you hear a whistling noise, it could mean there's a leakage in your duct. Check for any holes and replace the filter if it's dirty. A rattling noise could be caused by loose screws, so make sure to tighten them with a screwdriver and see if the noise stops. But what about banging noises? They can be a sign of a major problem, like an ignition issue or metal ducts expanding and contracting. In that case, it's best to turn off your furnace and call a professional right away. Lastly, if you hear a buzzing or humming noise, it could be due to an electrical issue. Contact your technician for further inspection and repair. Remember, trying to fix these problems yourself can be dangerous and may cause even bigger issues. That's why it's best to leave it to the experts. And when it comes to experts, there's no one better than Moncrief Heating and Air Conditioning. Our highly trained technicians have years of experience in dealing with all types of HVAC issues. Plus, we use only the latest equipment and techniques to ensure efficient and long-lasting solutions. So, if your furnace is making strange noises, don't wait until it's too late. Contact Moncrief Heating and Air Conditioning today and let us take care of it for you.